Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting power and credentials ready. First, plug the smart plug into a nearby outlet so you can see its LED. Next, install the manufacturer app on your phone and sign in because the app manages keys and settings. Make sure your phone is on the 4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Many plugs don't support 5 GHz. Finally, reset the plug to enter pairing mode. Hold the button until the LED blinks so the app can discover it. Once the plug is blinking, open the app and tap Add Device to start pairing. Choose the correct model so the app sends the right setup commands. You'll be asked to enter your 4 GHz Wi-Fi password. Do that carefully to avoid failed handshakes. Then name the plug and assign it to a room so you can find it later. Make sure to install firmware updates. They fix bugs and add features like energy monitoring and reliable scheduling, which you'll want enabled. You're almost done. Test the plug by toggling power in the app and with a physical device plugged in so you confirm load control. Once verified, create a simple schedule or scene, and if desired, link the plug to a voice assistant. Enable the skill and discover devices. Secure your setup by using a strong Wi-Fi password and updating credentials. If something goes wrong, try this troubleshooting tip. Reboot your router, ensure your phone and plug are on the same 4 GHz network, or factory, reset the plug and repeat pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.